Hi guys, today the sun is shining. It's a beautiful day, which is brilliant because yesterday we had some rain and we couldn't really do much, but there was a soft play that we went to. But today, because the weather is so beautiful, we're going to head over to an island called Burgh Island after we've gone to the kids club. So we're going to go to the kids club first, then we're going to go head over to Burgh Island, a little walk up the cliffs and have a picnic over there. Alright, Cammy?
Yeah.
You excited to have a nice day today?
Look, I'm getting to sleep.
We're going to get some sweeties today.
Yeah, and it's sweet today.
Yeah, Saturday is sweetie day.
Yeah.
And then what we're going to do?
Go to the club.
And then what?
Go to the island.
To go to Burgh Island. We're going to have a nice little walk, aren't we?
Yeah.
Are you excited?
Yeah.
Let's go.
Bye.
So we just went in for the kids club and no other kids turned up. So it was just a treasure hunt anyway. So we've got the printable and we're just going to do it over on the beach by Burgh Island instead. So we're just setting off on our walk now and we've got some field guides with us. We've got this one, Guide to Flowers of Walks and Waysides, and we've also got a Coastal Birds one, and they're from the FSC website. So we're just going to try and identify some of the things that we see along our walk. Have you found anything yet, Cammy?
That one.
Oh yeah, there's a flower down there. Oh look, it's a type of daisy, I think, isn't it?
Yeah.
So a lot of these flowers have already gone to seed, so I think we're going to struggle to identify much.
My second choice would be...
Is that one the same?
Yeah.
Show me on there. Can you show me?
Hey, Mum.
Let's have a look. Yeah, that one.
Goes into that.
It's the same, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, great. Well done.
That's what I can do. Step one, get this. You do this and you go around like that until you do this. And then what you do is you go really fast and you do
Cammy, have we found another flower? Which one have we found now? That one?
the purple one.
Yeah. Can we see which one it is on here?
Yeah, that one.
I think it's this one over here, isn't it? Yeah? Yeah, that's a red campion. Some white flowers here and also some yellow flowers here, which we have not been able to identify. So the field guide, I mean, it's quite good, but it's not an exhaustive list of flowers that you can find at waysides. But we are on a coastal walk, so maybe there's different variety of flowers here. So we reached the top of the hill and now we have to head down the other side to get to the other beach where Burgh Island is. We've just come across this lovely purple flower, which is on our field guide. It is a tufted vetch. Just spotted some honeysuckle and it smells amazing. So walking down the hill, we are just catching our first glimpse of Burgh Island across the other side of the sand.
you found?
We saw a grasshopper.
Really?
But it's just jumped into the grass now, so we can't see it anymore. Can you see it anymore?
Really, I don't.
No, we can hear it, can't we? Where have they gone? They've all flown away now. Oh, they're over there. They're over there. We spotted some birds in the bushes.
Are they the dead bird?
Let's see if we can identify them.
Is that the dead bird?
How about that? Do you think it's that one?
Yeah, that's the dead bird we found. And
A
that
rock
looks like
pipit. Is it that one?
Yeah. No, the beaks are
Maybe.
the same.
Is the beak not the same?
Oh. Yeah. How do you know that the bird
I think that might be the closest we can find.
Yeah.
Where's the beach?
I can see it there.
So we've arrived at the beach, we're sitting down, we've got our picnic food out, and we're going to have a little picnic. The kids can have a little play on the beach and in the sea, and a bit later we'll head over to Burgh Island and see if we can get up the island. We have spotted a seagull up there on the roof, and Riyadh is going to try and identify it. Riyadh, let's have a look at that field guide. Which one do you reckon it is?
That one.
That one? What's that one called? Your finger's over it. It's called a herring gull.
Herring gull.
Yeah, I think you might be right. It has got a black beak, and it does look that colour. So what I like about these field guides is they are actually laminated, so they're good to take out anywhere and they're not going to get wrecked. Even if you use them in the rain, you can use them in any weather condition really, and perfect for the sea, by the sea, because they won't get wet. So yeah, although there's not that many varieties on each of the field guides, they are really good quality and easy for the children to use. Asya just stole one.
Yeah, look, he's going through the gap.
So we're heading on over to the island now. This is Burgh Island, and it is the setting for some of Agatha Christie's novels. There's no houses on the island, but there is just this hotel and the Pilchard Inn at the bottom. And there's a sea on either side of this beach. Seas on either side. And when the tide is out, you can walk across the sand to the island. But when the tide comes in, this sand is completely covered, and you can go across to the island, between the island and the mainland, on the sea tractor.
Hey, guess what, Mummy? Look what I found. It's like the beautifulest mermaid purse.
Oh yeah, that's lovely. Where did you find that?
Literally just on the floor over there in a bit of seaweed.
Wow. Is it warm in there? Nice. This is the sea tractor. As you can see, it's kind of raised up on stilts. So you can go all the way across when the tide's in on this thing.
The wheel's bigger than me.
Wow, that is huge, isn't it? This is the hotel. Nice day for sailing. And some burrows. I wonder what lives in there.
Rabbits.
Do you reckon rabbits?
Yeah, spider lives in there. There's spider everywhere.
So now we are going to head up the hill to get to the top. Yep, there's the windsock. There's also some nice tennis courts here.
It's hard work.
Is it hard work? Cammie's doing a good job, aren't you, Cammie? That's it, keep going.
I found the fan. I made my own fan.
Look at that view. Amazing.
Give a kayak there, Mum.
We made it to the top. We've just got to the bottom of Burgh Island. Now we're going to head over back to the mainland and go and have a look in the souvenir shop. Are you drawing in the sand, Cami? What's that you've drawn? A circle?
Yeah.
Oh, lovely. How about a triangle? Can you draw a triangle? That's a square. That's a square.
That's not.
Yeah, a triangle has 3 sides. Should we draw a triangle? With 3 sides? What is it? What is it?
It's like this.
So we just got back to our beach, Shalabura Bay, and the kids are eating their lollies which they bought from the souvenir shop. What did you buy, Riyadh?
I got this.
Oh, you got a lovely bracelet which you put on your ankle, and I got this to hang in the bathroom. So just got back to the caravan and I've come to get the bodyboards. Everyone else is waiting down on the beach. I've come to get the bodyboards so we can do a bit of bodyboarding before we go to the swimming pool. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for updates on all my latest videos. Also, don't forget to check out my Instagram at Multicultural Motherhood to see what we're getting up to on a daily basis. Thank you for watching. Bye.